Hi guys, in this video we will see how to remove or disable text formatting in Windows 11 or 10 Notepad. You can easily disable or remove text formatting from your Windows 11 and 10 Notepad. Here are the process. You can see this is a Notepad, open Notepad, and you can see text formatting option is available. You can bold, italic your text. Now we will disable it or remove. If you want to simply remove it, then select it and click on clear formatting. This will clear your formatting if you have changed any. If you want to permanently disable formatting, text formatting, then go to settings cog from the top right corner and here scroll down and you will find the option formatting. Disable this feature, turn the toggle button off. This will clear all the formatting on files that are open. The toolbar will be hidden and you can't recover the following after you have cleared it. Turn off formatting in Notepad. Click on turn off if you want to disable it. Now you can see all your formatting option, bold, italic icons will removed, and rather if you want to enable text formatting, go to the same process and enable text formatting option under Notepad settings of your Windows 11 and 10 settings. That's all.